Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 21. Discover the legend of King Bladude, an enigmatic figure in ancient British lore. Educated in the mystical arts in Athens, Bladude returned to Britain only to be stricken with leprosy and exiled. As a swineherd, he observed his pigs curing their skin disease in hot springs. Miraculously, bathing in these waters cured his leprosy too. In gratitude, he founded Bath around these healing springs. But Bladude's story takes a final mythical turn. Attempting to fly with self-made wings, he tragically leapt from a temple, ending his mystical and adventurous life. King Bladude's tale, blending myth with the origins of Bath, is a fascinating glimpse into ancient British folklore.